Let's work on some 55 Chevy rust. Thinking about doing lap welding this. Cut this little patch panel for this guy. A patch all tacked in. Looks pretty good. So I got it all welded. Looks pretty good. Got this all tacked in. So I got this patch panel on. I grinded down all these. Prettiest. And I got this all welded up. Just got everything all grinded down. I kept a little bit of weld spots, so they're reinforced. Overall, decent. Try to see more videos of this.